Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a 2015 Starwood Customs Jeep. These Jeeps are converted by Starwood and riddled with cool options. This one's lifted. It's got nice big tires, custom front and rear bumpers. These are 35 by 12 and a half, sitting on 20-inch rims. It's got a crinkle finish. Side steps, they match that finish as well. The hard top is also finished in a crinkle finish. Has super low miles. Tow package, backup camera, custom stereo. Also has custom taillight covers, custom flares. They're also painted to match. It's got a custom red leather interior. XRC Winch up front. Custom front bumper. Factory fogs. Stereo system is pretty killer on this thing. Runs and drives great. It's got super low miles. Custom leather. These are also heated. Those have a full soft top that goes with this. Auto dimming rearview mirror. All weather mats. Power locks. Power windows. 14,203 miles. The stereo's got a custom sub in the back. The mats come through back here as well. Starwood Motors mats. Full top back here. Here's the frame and everything. Truck's beautiful. I think this is one of those things that goes on the roof, and you can jack it up to remove your hardtop. It's got an amp back here too. Focal. It looks like a 10-inch focal sub. Stereo rocks. It's got nav and everything. These wheels are by Black Rhino. Multi-spoke. Tires will be brand new. This truck has no miles. Stereo's loaded too. It's got Bluetooth speakers up there. Microphone routers up there. Custom hood. Painted grille to match. Definitely don't see the Starwood custom Jeeps that much. But give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out my website too. I probably took about 150 photos today. Thanks a lot.